Broan New Tone has performance-matched ventilation solutions for every kitchen style. Like the Broan BBN2 Powerpack insert. Get a flush look with an integrated one-piece design. The Easy One installation system enables fast, one-person installation. And depth adjustability ensures the ventilation surface fully covers the cabinetry bottom. Long-lasting, heat-resistant LED lights brighten your cooking experience. While the ventilation is made simple, with a 3-speed push-button control. The stainless steel surface is not only beautiful, it's easy to clean. And the quick-release filters are dishwasher safe. Flush appearance, hidden solution. The Broan BBN2 Powerpack insert